The Trio System app has everything you need to learn Chinese or any Asian character script. All included are the course chapters, word lists, appendices, and the actionary, made simple by RKB's unique format. Our product has been in development for many years and is well documented. The Trio system has multiple domestic and international patents. Volume 1 is a standalone product. Volume 2, in production at this time, offers enhancements to round out the roster of non-radical elements. Whether you're a student, traveler, business person, interested entrepreneur, in the military or diplomatic corps, learning to read and write any Asian language has never been so easy and convenient. Hello, I'm here to show you how easy it is to use the Trio system to master any Asian character. With the Trio system, learning any Asian character is fun and productive. For example, here are two radicals. Each one has a key. The key for the first is dog. The key for the second is king. The letters in red represent the tag letters for the key, also known as the bridge. The meaning of the character, among others, is mad. There are many vocabulary words beginning with DO. Don't, for instance. Many also begin with KI. Kiss, for instance. Let's fashion a sentence from words beginning with DO and KI that have some relevance to the concept of mad. How about don't kiss anyone while they're mad? The DO of don't is the same as the DO in dog. Therefore, the dog radical is the first part of the character. The KI of kiss is the same as the KI of king. Therefore, the king radical is the second part of the character. Repeat the sentence, don't kiss anyone while they're mad, and you'll remember that the characters are comprised of the dog and king radicals. Here we have another example. Here we see two radicals, a familiar one, dog, and as you now know, the DO in dog is the same as the DO in don't, and the other radical is insect. Together, they mean alone. Using what we've learned from the previous example, we need to find a word that has DO in it and another that has IN in it, and make a sentence from those words. We're going to use the words do and independently. And from this, we'll fashion a brand new sentence that relates to the idea of being alone. Let's try, if you're alone, you do things independently. Notice how the DO in do is the same as the DO in dog, and the same as the DO in don't. And they all help you identify the radical that you're learning. It's the same way for the IN in independently, which is the same as the IN in insect. And they help you to identify the other half of the character for alone. Going back to our sentence, you'll remember that this character is comprised of the dog and insect radicals. And finally, here's one last example. Again, notice how the IN for this radical is the same as the IN used in the words insect and independently from the previous example. While each radical has its own set meaning, the different words you use to associate with each radical are always going to have the same two letters in common. For example, the words we used to identify the other radical with KI included king and kiss. This time, however, we're going to use yet another word to associate with the radical, given the context of the character's meaning of cricket. We're going to use the words kill and insect for this particular example. And so, our sentence will be, some crickets kill other insect eggs. As you can see, we've successfully connected the words to the meaning of the full character for cricket. So, taking a final look at the sentence we created, we can see that this sentence has words that are comprised of the insect and king radicals. In summary, here is a comprehensive list of the sentences we have made and the characters that they represent. Job done!